Today we are exploring Dumbo, Brooklyn. Dumbo actually stands for Down Under the Manhattan Bridge Overpass. And I'll show you some of the must-visit spots you should check out while you're here. So without further ado, let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome to Metro Snippets. Our first stop of this video is the famous color-changing Dumbo Reflector sign. This sign was unveiled in October 2016 to welcome visitors to the neighborhood. If you're visiting Dumbo, this is definitely a fun photo spot you should not miss. It's located at the archway under the Manhattan Bridge between Water Street and Front Street in Brooklyn. Just one block away, we arrived at our second stop, the iconic Dumbo Manhattan Bridge View Spot at the corner of Washington Street and Water Street. This is one of the most photographed locations in New York City and truly a must visit. Everyone here is trying to capture the Manhattan Bridge in the background with the Empire State Building perfectly framed right in the middle of the arch. This iconic view is what makes this spot so famous and why so many people come here to take photos. No matter whether you come during the day or at night, you will always see people here taking pictures. Some are posing, some are jumping, and some are even lying on the street trying to capture the perfect shot. After that, we head toward our third stop, DUMBO Park. From here, you begin to see the Manhattan Bridge on one side, the Brooklyn Bridge on the other, along with beautiful views of the Manhattan skyline. And trust me, the views only get better as we continue walking toward Brooklyn Bridge Park. Our fourth stop is Pebble Beach, one of the best waterfront spots in Dumbo. From here, you can enjoy stunning views of East River, the Manhattan skyline, and the Brooklyn Bridge. It's also a perfect place to relax and watch the sunset. Next, we arrive at our fifth stop, the famous Out Market New York. Inside, you'll find around 20 different restaurants serving a variety of cuisines, along with 3 bars. There's also a rooftop area with free access, offering incredible skyline views. I already made a separate short video about it, so make sure to check that out next. Our next stop is Jane's Carousel. Originally built in 1922 by the Philadelphia Tobacco Company for Idora Park in Youngstown, Ohio, this beautiful wooden carousel features 48 hand-carved horses. After Idora Park closed in 1984, Jane and David volunteers purchased the carousel and brought it to Brooklyn for restoration. It officially reopened to the public in Brooklyn Bridge Park on September 16, 2011. After that, we arrive at Emily Warren Roebling Plaza. This public plaza space sits right beneath the Brooklyn Bridge and connects different sections of Brooklyn Bridge Park. It's a great place to pause and admire the massive Brooklyn Bridge from below while watching people walk across it overhead. The plaza is named after Emily Warren Roebling, who played a major role in helping complete the construction of the Brooklyn Bridge. Right under the bridge, the atmosphere feels incredible. The Brooklyn Bridge itself is also an amazing place to catch the sunset. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a full video exploring Brooklyn Bridge. Next, we continue walking toward Brooklyn Bridge Park, passing restaurants and the historic Fulton Ferry Landing along the way. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Don't forget to leave a comment, share any suggestions for places you would like to see in New York City, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now we've arrived at our final stop, Brooklyn Bridge Park. This is yet another amazing location to watch the sunset over New York City. So now, let's sit back and enjoy a beautiful sunset time lapse. Now it's nighttime and the city looks absolutely gorgeous. Dumbo is truly a must-visit destination whether you're visiting New York City for the first time or already living here. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.